So guys, today is vitamin C immune boost water that will also help to hydrate you for 24 hours. If this is going to interest you, keep watching. So guys, after you exercise, your body builds up a lot of lactic acid. Like I am burning inside and I need something to help flush out all the toxins and help losing out all the fats. However, when you go for a run or work in the morning, remember to protect yourself, especially when it's very sunny. Sunlight is not very good for our skin, so we must remember to wear our sunscreen and wear our glasses when we're working out on the street. Yes, very crucial, very important. You want to really protect yourself from premature aging as long as you work out on the outside, so it's very important. Whew. But the breeze is not really that humid. We can still breathe. The air is cool. It's about 9 a.m. in the morning. Gosh, I am on my way to 7 to 10 kilometer run. Oh my God, guys, I made it. We made it. The speech is about almost 6 miles. Now I'm gonna make my water, vitamin C water. However, it doesn't matter if you exercise or not. You can still drink this water to build up your immune system and to help give you glowing skin and keep you hydrated 24 hours. So all the things here, all the fruits here are washed already. So we will use orange. Everything is washed. So to start, we're gonna use the orange and make sure you peel out the skin of the orange as much as you can. Yes, take all the skin off. And you want to cut this in 4, or I like to make it smaller so that the water gets right inside in between the core of the orange. So I have the orange. The next thing I want to do is cucumber. Oh my God, cucumber is extra hydration. Not only is cucumber hydrate your skin, it helps to tighten up your skin and build up elasticity and collagen. Okay, so the next thing I like to use is grapefruit. Same thing as much as the orange. Take the skin of the grapefruit off. Oh my God, if you're looking to trim your waistline, grapefruit is what you need. Yeah. Grapefruit helps to trim down your waistline, burn the fat, most especially on your waistline. So take out the skin, again, cut as tiny as you can and add it into the jar. The next thing I like to use is lemon. We know that lemon, I love to do the lemon with the skin because lemon helps to shrink all the fat cells in our system. So I use 1 whole lemon. And I like to, one whole lemon goes in here. The next thing I like to use is ginger. When you do ginger, I like to take off the skin. When I take off the skin, it's easier for water to penetrate inside the ginger. So if you have ginger juice, usually I like to extract juice from my ginger, but it's okay. So I'm gonna cut it small. Cut down your ginger like you almost crush the ginger. And you want to put the ginger in here. The next thing you want to use here is mint leaf. Oh my God, mint helps your water to taste good, taste better, and helps to detoxify you. So after you have everything in the jug, you want to add water. I love using lukewarm, room temperature, or just a little bit lukewarm. You need to let it, so after you do this, you want to let this sit for at least 15 minutes for the water and for the fruits to infuse into the water, and then you are ready to drink it. Some people like to put it in the fridge, and because I'm just coming out of the gym, I just finished working out, I don't want anything cold. If you drink something cold, it is going to not help to, get around the corner to help flush out all the toxins. Now I can drink my water. I can drink my water. So you can store this in the fridge, but take it out like 1 hour before you start drinking it. Like example, for this night, I'm going to put this in the fridge. In the morning when I get up, I'm going to take it off the fridge because it's better to be consumed in a room temperature for this to do the job. So thank you guys for watching, and remember, subscribe and share this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.